What's up guys, Garrett with Aldan American, and today we're going to be talking about our vehicle-specific coilover kits. Now, what do these include? We have options available with front coilovers, rear coilovers, and full packages that include everything you see here, front and rear coilovers with all the hardware, bracketry, and everything you need. Our front coilovers are offered as either single or double adjustable. They also include a few different spring rate options, small block, big block, LS, and so forth. And what our front packages will offer, they bolt into a stock. If your car is bone stock, this kit will fit your front control arms. Also, they'll work with many aftermarket control arms and several different types of spindles. So a great option if you're looking to lower an out-of-the-box bolt-on solution, check out our front kits. Going over to the rear, if you're running a stock rear end, stock style rear end, and you're looking to upgrade to coilovers, we've got a full line, tons of options available. Our rear kits include all the bracketry, the hardware, the proper spring rates, the right shock lengths. We've engineered and designed everything so it is a true bolt-on fitted application. So there's no cutting, no welding, no modifying. These are both true bolt-on systems. So if you're looking for a bolt-on upgrade, looking to lower your ride properly, looking for more performance with adjustable coilover shocks, check out our vehicle-specific coilover setups for many classic muscle cars and pickup trucks. Available at aldanamerican.com.